Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start immediately. Plug the HomePod into power and watch the top. When a white spinning light appears, it's signaling setup readiness. Make sure your iPhone or iPad is unlocked, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are on, and you're signed into the Apple ID with two-factor authentication enabled. Once the device shows the setup prompt near your iPhone, tap it. This proximity handoff is how Apple securely transfers network and account info. It's faster and avoids manual Wi-Fi entry, so you don't skip this step. After you tap the setup card, follow the prompts, confirm your Apple ID, and select the home and room where the HomePod will live. Make sure to enable Siri and personal requests only if you're comfortable with message and calendar access. The Home app then transfers Wi-Fi and account settings over the secure proximity channel. You'll see a pulsing white light turn into a steady glow as the transfer finishes. Once the test chime plays, the HomePod is paired and reachable via AirPlay, and the Home finish by testing voice and AirPlay. Say, "Hey Siri," and play a short audio clip from your iPhone using AirPlay to verify connection. If the HomePod never shows the setup card, reset it. Unplug, wait 10 seconds, plug back in, then touch and hold the top until the light turns red and you hear reset prompts. This clears prior pairings. Once reset, bring your iPhone near again. If the Home app still lists the device, remove it before retrying so the proximity setup can succeed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.